Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I make my banana bread, and here are the ingredients. Okay, you want to first start heating up your oven at 350. Next we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup and 1/4 of all-purpose flour. One teaspoon of baking soda. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and mix all of the ingredients and make sure they all blend very well together. Okay, next you want to go ahead and add 2 eggs. And mix both of those together. Once you do this, just set this to the side. We're going to use it in a little bit. The next thing you want to do is add your butter with a cup of sugar. Blend everything very well. Incorporate your egg that you had set to the side. Blend all that good stuff. And this is how your egg should look once it's all nicely blended. Okay, the next step is you want to go ahead and smash your bananas, which I have 3. You can add as many as you want. This is how it should look. You're going to incorporate all that to your egg mixture. Blend one more time. And then incorporate everything to your flour mixture and blend everything together. You can add any pecans or walnuts of your choice. If not, you can take this step out. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is spray your pan. We're going to go ahead and pour all of the ingredients. Okay, so now it's ready to go in the oven for 15 minutes. Set it to the side once it's baked for 5 to 10 minutes.